नेक्स्ट 100 डेज में 4 जून के बाद 100 डेज में मुझे क्या काम करना है अभी से मेरे पास क्लियर है.
We agree, Modi. It's crystal clear. Let's recap this disastrous 100-day plan of yours. These 100 days have been costly for the country's farmers, youth, women, infrastructure, railways, army, Manipur, and economy. In just 100 days, there were 26 terrorist attacks, resulting in 21 Jawans martyred and 21 injured, along with 15 civilians dead and 47 injured. And what did you do? Nothing. Your silence speaks volumes. It's almost as if terrorism thrives under your watch. In 100 days, 38 train accidents occurred, leading to 21 lives lost and 112 injured. And your railway minister dismisses them as small incidents. Manipur has been burning for 16 months, with rockets and missiles fired, and 12 people have died in the last 2 weeks. Crimes against women have increased significantly, with 104 reported cases and 157 victims. New layer of the SEBI-Adani mega scam have emerged in the last 100 days, exposing serious cases of corruption, conflict of interest, and misuse by the SEBI chief Madhavi Buch. Your government seems more invested in protecting the guilty than helping the innocent. Exam leaks including NEET and UGC NET paper leaks, and the postponement of the CSIR NET and NEET PG exams. The economy is in free fall. The rupee fell from rupees 82.75 per dollar on June 9 to rupees 83.92 per dollar on September 16. And foreign investment, FDI, is down by 43%. Unemployment is at an 8-month high. In the last 100 days, 56 major infrastructure projects, airports, bridges, roads, and statues have collapsed. Even the new parliament leaks. This is perfect symbolism for a government that's broken from inside out. You have made 5 U-turns in just 100 days on lateral entry. The broadcast bill, the Waqf board bill, indexation, and NPS and UPS. You promised decisiveness, but all we see is a PM who can't even stand by his own decisions. Toll charges have risen up to 15%. The price of dal, roti, and milk has increased. The commercial LPG cylinders are costlier by rupees 39. It looks like Achhe Din are exclusively for your rich friends, while the common man is just fodder for your price hikes. Despite repeated warnings from Ladakh shepherds about Chinese encroachment, you did not act. Now thousands from Ladakh are marching to Delhi. What will you do now? Will you welcome them with nails on the road and tear gas shells like you did with farmers? Narendra Modi, you said you had a bold 100-day plan, but what we got is a disaster without even a disaster management plan inside. If this is what 100 days of your leadership looks like, what disasters awaits us in the next 5 years?